Hi guys, this is BAO HAN from BAO HAN Style. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and to another how to wear video with BAO HAN Style. So if you follow me on social media, you probably know by now that we have a new brand ambassador. She's hot, she's gorgeous, and she's amazing, and she's so super sweet. It's Nhulan, the one and only Nhulan from Paris by Night. And you probably know her from Paris by Night. And yeah, we are so honored to have her on board. And so thank you, Nhulan. Thanks so much for being part of this team. We are super excited to have you on board, and we can't wait to work with you more. That being said, in the video that Nhulan was introduced as the brand ambassador, she was wearing a dress towards the end of the video, and a lot of people have actually asked me what dress it was. So, well, I'm wearing it right now. The only thing is it's the blue version. It's the royal blue version of that black dress. And it's so cute and so versatile that I would like to show you today 6 ways how to wear the dress. So if you're interested, stay tuned and I'll show you how.
For the first look, there's not much to do. You wear the dress as is by tying a belt around your waist and you're good to go. For the second look, I chose a different ribbon simply because I like contrast and also because I wanted to give this elegant dress an edgier look. Take one end of the ribbon and pull it through both armholes in the back of the dress. Then pull both ends to the front and crisscross them. Make sure that both ends are at the same length before you tie them in the front or in the back. I like anything that's asymmetric, so in order to give this dress just a little twist, I tie the ribbon right where my armpit is. Pull both ends front and back, crisscross them on the side, and make a bow wherever you want. Now comes the most important part. Take the shorter part of where you have tied the ribbon, pull it up so it becomes a cap sleeve. Look number 4 is probably the cutest one out of all 6 looks. Unfold the whole collar and put it all the way up. Then pull the middle part of the collar down towards your chest and use a pin to secure it. Take the belt that came with the dress and pull it through the opening that you have created to make a nice bow. You all know by now how obsessed I am with belts, so finishing up this look with a gold belt is a must. How you choose your ribbons or belts is totally up to you. In this particular case, I chose the blue ribbon as well. Put it around your neck and pull both ends through the armholes twice, so you can crisscross them in the back and in the front. Fun fact, Look number 6 was created during filming. Originally, there were only 5 looks that I wanted to film, but somehow it came up with this one towards the end, and so we ended up filming one more. Take the belt and pull one end through one armhole to the other side out. Tie both ends behind your neck. Pull both of your arms out of your dress and gather all the fabric to the front. A gold belt completes this look, which is probably one of my favorites.
So that's it for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you had fun watching it as much as I had fun making the video. I hope it was not too hard for you to follow all the wrapping and pinning and tying and stuff. If you do have questions, please feel free to ask. I would love to answer them. If you have any comments, please in the box below. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up and hopefully you will subscribe as well. Until then, I see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.